Let's see how to apply a sum formula in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, as you can see, we have our table that lists the unit cost, the quantity, and the total amount. So since I am typing this out manually, let's go ahead and type in the total cost first. Now, this would be 200, and this would be 180. Now, to get the total of these two numbers using the sum function, simply click on the bottom here. Now click on table layout, and up here on the right, you'll see formula. Click on formula, and you'll see that you can type in your formula in this field right here. Now let's erase that and click on equal sign. Now click on paste functions, and that should open up a drop-down list. Look for sum and type in above. Now, note that you can change this and you can type in either left, right, or above depending on the cells that you want to specify. And for this one, since we want to get the total of the numbers above, we'll type in above. Now click on OK. And you now have the total right here, which is 380. Now, since this is now a field, let's go ahead and, for example, change this into 240. Although we changed this, you'll notice that the total has not changed. And to update that, you can either highlight it and right click and click on update field. And as you'll see, that automatically will update. And that is how you can use the sum function in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.